Welcome to DaTo Automotive Equipments. Today we bring here ACMAS702 12 AC gas machine for cars and light trucks. This AC machine has a specialized gas to use both R134A gas and HFO1234YF. With this machine, we can minimize the gas loss, recovering the gas from the vehicle, vacuuming, injecting oil and charging the accurate AC gas back to the vehicle along with the leak test function. Let's look on the machine. Here we can see the HP gauge, high pressure gauge and low pressure gauge along with the touch display, and we have an inbuilt printer. Here we can see different connectors for R134A gas and HFO1234YF gas. So when we are using different gases, we are using different connectors. So both the connector is different in sizes, so it cannot be interchanged. It can accommodate two different gas. Hence, it has a dual operation system with two tanks. One tank for R134A and one tank for HFO1234YF. So these tanks has a different pressure gauges here, and each tank has been monitored by a different gauges. So this is the gauge for R134A cylinder pressure, and the other side we have HFO1234YF cylinder pressure. And it also has a air purge valve in order to release the air which is present inside the cylinder. It has a new and used oil bottle which is for oil filling function. Once we switch on the machine, we can see the refrigerant selection, which we need to select as R134A or HFO1234YF. We can select which option we are going to use. So if we are going to use R134A, just select R134A and click OK. So we are working on the R134A system. In case you want to change the other one, switch off and on back to change to HFO1234YF. Here you can have different function. One for recovering a gas from the vehicle, vacuuming the AC system, charging the gas back to the vehicle, and the auto mode to execute all these steps, and tank fill to fill the R134A gas or H1234YF gas in the cylinder of the machine. And it has a system setting function. In the system setting function, we have a password protected option. So we enter the password. After entering the password, we have a calibration option, language option, component setting, weight set, and then owner info and time. Here we can select a different language according to the customer requirement. So if it is Arabic, you need to have Arabic language. We have Arabic, we have English, we have Russian, we have Spanish. So all kind of languages are available there. It is a multilingual machine. This machine is user-friendly and easy operating procedures. In order to purchase this machine, you can directly contact us through website or email us on info@datotech.de. Thank you.